Raindrops tap on my window tonight. Echoes of laughter fade out of sight. Your hand in mine, a memory so clear. The scent of rain brings your voice near. Oh, first love, you left a mark so deep in the corners of my heart where I still weep. Through the rain, I see your face, your glow. A bittersweet love I can't let go. Sidewalks glisten like tears in the light. We danced in puddles, no end in sight. Your smile was the sun in the stormy haze, a fleeting warmth in those golden days. The clock moved forward, but time stood still. Every drop of rain bends to your will. Though you're gone, your shadow remains etched in my soul like the softest refrain. Oh, first love, you left a mark so deep in the corners of my heart where I still weep. Through the rain, I see your face, your glow. A bittersweet love I can't let go. Now I sit by the window, the storm rolls in, listening for whispers of where we've been. Each thunderclap carries a part of you, a melody I can't undo.